Hello, today we are talking about a short story entitled as Old Man at the Bridge. This story is written by Ernest Hemingway. Hemingway is a significant name in modern American fiction. His most important books are Fiesta, called in the US The Sun Also Rises 1926, A Farewell to Arms in 1929, and For Whom the Bell Tolls 1940, and The Old Man and the Sea in 1952. In 1954, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. His closely written and unsentimental style led critics to rate him high among modern American writers. Old Man at the Bridge is a touching story about individual displaced by war. Its background is the Spanish Civil War from 1936 to 1939, which was fought between Republicans who were loyal to the elected leftist government of Spain and the Spanish fascists who were extreme rightist and wanted to overthrow the government. Hemingway took part in the war on the side of the Republicans. The fascists won the war. Fascist movement originally started in Italy. It was nationalist and anti-communist, and it believed in violence. In Spain, a fascist party was formed in 1933. An old man whose native place was San Carlos was forced to leave the city. He was the last person to leave the city. He was advised to do so by the captain because of the artillery. He said to the narrator, I stayed you see taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave San Carlos. Leaving San Carlos made him a helpless refugee. He was too old to move. He had no relatives. He did not know where to go. He was too tired to move further after he had walked 12 kilometers. He had no interest in politics, yet he suffered. He said, I am without politics. I am 66 years old and I have come 12 kilometers now, and I think I can go no further. When he arrived at the place, he had very dusty clothes, steel rimmed spectacles. He looked at the narrator very blankly and tiredly. His sole interest in life was a few animals and birds, two goats and a cat and four pair of pigeons. He could not bring the animals with him. He sole worry in his sole worry in life was him animals which he had left behind. He believed that the cat could look out for itself. He was worried about the other animals. The narrator told him that the pigeons would fly away, so he should not worry about them. He gave him great satisfaction. He was told to leave worrying about the other animals when the narrator asked him to get up and try to walk, but he could not. He was too weak to move. His mind was full of thoughts of his animals he had left behind. He had not done any harm to anybody. He had no politics, yet he suffered. He went on repeating the sentence, I was only taking care of animals. This shows how innocent person suffer during war. To show this is the purpose of this story. The author uses the word staggers because the carts were moving on the steep road and so they were really moving unsteadily or reeling. Uh, I said not quite understand page number 46, line number 21. What was it about the old man's statement, I was taking care of animals, that the narrator did not understand? When the old man said, I was taking care of animals, the narrator could not understand its full meaning, what type of animals he was taking care of. Uh, then the narrator expected the approaching battle to take place in the outskirts of San Carlos, so it was evacuated at once. The old man had left behind two goats, two goats, a cat, and four pair of pigeons. The army of the country was expecting an approaching battle there, so the army ordered the old man and the others to leave the place. It was 12 kilometers far from San Carlos to the river. By others, he meant animals other than cat, two goats and four pairs of pigeons. The enemy planes were not flying because the sky was cloudy and there was all at low ceiling. He feared the soldiers or their artillery would harm his animals. The statement, I am without politics and I am 76 years old. This statement is a very sensational statement by the old man. The soldiers helped to the people to push against the spokes of the wheels of mule-drawn carts. It was his business to cross the bridge, explore the bridgeheads beyond, and find out to what point the enemy had advanced. So he crossed the bridge and returned. The old man was asked to leave San Carlos because of artillery. The old man took care of two goats, one cat, and four pair of pigeons. But the old man was too tired to move, so he sat down. He couldn't go any further. Thus, the whole story is much sensational and emotional feeling, with emotional feeling, and this is a unique type of a story written by Hemingway. Although this is not the actual technique of Ernest Hemingway's writing, but even then, this story shows Hemingway's sensation about war and its victims.